do a walk at the beach and go look at some tide pools. It's a beautiful morning today. We see some kelp on the ground. Oh look what I found. It's a sand dollar. Look at this, how beautiful. Got some rocks. Got a boat. And we got some surfers at the beach. I don't know if you guys could see them. Let's keep walking. It's a lot of kelp. Today is a low tide. If it's in the morning. There's some seashells on the ground. Some small seashells. There's different ones. How nice is this? The little river going to the ocean. Look at that surfer. Got some birds. Trying to see if there's any food on these kelps. So big. There's some baby birds walking.
Those are ducks, no? Some seagulls.
Oh,
They're ducks.
they're ducks. They're actually ducks. I don't think I've seen ducks at the beach. Wow. Ducks are going away. Two went this way. Look at the birds trying to find food between the rocks. Since the tide is so low. Look at all these mussels. Tiny, tiny mussels buried on the sand. Kelp. Feels so weird. It's not slimy. Got a bunch of mussels. The rock. Little tide pools here. Oh, and a sea star. You see these guys? Sea star here. And what else can we see here? More mussels. What we could find here. Got some kelp, more mussels. The water is really cold right now. Nothing in there. Oh. See these guys? The ones that we see at the Seymour Center. It's an anemone. There's two actually. Tiny one and a big one. Oh, actually there's three. Cover it. See this? 1, 2, 3. And it's sticky. When you touch it. Super cool. Let's see what else we can find. A bunch of rocks. This is usually covered by water right here. More rocks, more kelp, more mussels. Oh, look, we just found 2 more starfish. Sea stars. Purple stars. And these are barnacles, guys. Look at these. So small. They're different from these right here. Oh, I see another starfish. This is an orange one. You see that? It's a really cool starfish. Oh, we got some more starfish right here. Look, guys. And there's 3 up here. They're so close to each other. 1, 2, 3. Got 2 purple stars and 1 orange one. We got more of these. See all these holes in here? This is usually covered by water. More barnacles, seaweed.
No. I was gonna say welcome to the last one,
With the water coming in. Another little cave in here where we could see there's not much water in there, but we could see the rock, how different it is from a regular rock. More mussels, more, a lot of critters live here. Kelp. Another little cave. Oh, there's a sea star. Starfish in there. You see these guys? This is like a different kind of animal with the shell. So different from you see these two? These are different. They're slimy. I don't know the name of them, but they're like stuck to this. But these look like they're alive. Guys, this is another type of animal, like a snail probably. There's a bunch more over here just sticking to the rock. Right here. Some on the rock up there. Just kelp and rock, more rock. Green kelp. You guys see the seagulls? Still there, still looking for food. Such a beautiful morning today. It's not even cold. You see more shells on the ground. This is a big one. Look at the colors. More shells. Well, thank you guys for joining me on this beach walk. I'll see you later. Bye.